So I'm still waiting for my shot. Just sitting here.
हो गया रेडी ऐसे से प्लेबैक रेडी है ये पीछे का और ब्लॉड को सीन फिर आ गया राकेश ओके
I'm totally messed up. I don't know what am I supposed to do now. My purse has been left behind in some random car, of course from the production, but like I'm actually kind of free. My shots are done, but then oh my god, I'm still waiting for my purse. I can't find it. Like of course it's safe in some car. So now I'm taking a car and going and getting my purse because apparently no one's gonna come from the set to give me my purse. So I have to go in a car, I have to go to the set and get my purse back. Well, anyways, yeah, so about that, I shot 3 hours in the sun without sunscreen because the sunscreen I had was really bad quality. I don't know why I got that sunscreen. I got from some brand or something, but then I thought I'd get it here. But then somehow it turned out to be really very bad. It spoiled my entire makeup. I had to remove everything. I had to do makeup again. And ultimately I had to shoot 3 hours without sunscreen in UV9. So I don't know what has happened to my skin right now. It feels the same, but I feel like I'm gonna get red soon and it's gonna get really bad, but this is life. I'm still on no sleep. It's like 3 p.m. But yeah, just gonna get my purse first and then we'll see what I can do. Now we're just looking for the car which had my purse, but I feel like I can't find it because there are like 3 different locations where the shoot is happening. So yeah, that purse had my wallet and my keys and whatnot. Let's not even get into that. Found it. Now I'm just gonna get into the car. Okay. हाँ रुक ही नहीं रहा था वो. This is the bag I have been behind since 1 hour. Hi guys, guess what? Yes, I was sleep deprived. Yes, I haven't slept in like 24 hours, but we're going out. This is my outfit. And this is my juicy bag. Dress. Hi guys. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm here. As I told you, I went out with my sister Sasha. So today I don't know why I want to have Chinese. So chicken bowl, and this looks like this. I showed you, and hopefully it's tasty. We're not that hungry, so I think we're gonna share. But yeah, but guess what guys, it's been more than 24 hours. I have not slept. Like, it's questionable, but yeah, so here I am. I forgot to like shoot while I was just like taking out my makeup and stuff. I've done my skincare, I've put my under eye cream, I've put a nice moisturizer, and I'm just ready for bed. Like, oh my god, wait, let me show you. Okay, so the time here right now is 10:48, and I'm putting it off very nicely. Like, if you see me, I don't see myself with dark circles, do I? I don't know, like, I feel I have dark circles, but when I tell my makeup artist that, oh my god, you need to conceal these dark circles, they're like, what dark circles? Which dark circles? Like, I'm not even kidding. I don't know why they're so blind. Like, literally, you can see them right here. Anyways, but oh my god, I just poured like 24 hours without sleep. Like, I've done this at least like 3-4 times before this, but it's fine. It's not a good thing. 36? Oh my god, my sister just made me realize I have not slept for 36 hours. Okay, you'll say, oh, the 12 hours are for the day, you never sleep during the day. But still, it counts, right? 24 hours, fine. But you need to add those 12 hours again, too. So, 36 hours without sleep? Oh, shit. Shit. Anyways, can you just see how crazy I am? I don't even know why you're watching this vlog. If you're watching this vlog, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching my vlogs. I hope you enjoyed this one because this was a very nice one, very special one, and very big one for me because it's a very big ad and it's coming soon. So honestly, this video will be released only after the ad comes because otherwise I will get into a problem. Okay.